Yeah, happy Thursday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Well, today I wanted to talk about third quarter PC pricing. I was on the Lenovo partner call. I can get brand new Lenovo stuff. I'm a Lenovo partner. And they were talking about, get your orders in now because third quarter pricing for ThinkPads is going up, not down. So if you've got a idea on replacement or getting another PC, now might be the time to start shopping around before third quarter price increases happen. I'm glad we sell refurbished ThinkPads because brand new ones are really expensive. I mean, they're great build quality, but it's pricey. So we continue to stock refurbished ThinkPads that are a more affordable alternative to the customer. Come by and see us. They range with warranties from 90 days to a full 2 years. We have one that has a 2-year repair replace warranty. So come on by and see us. We're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road Suite 121, and we're open Tuesday through Saturday 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in, and by all means subscribe over on our YouTube channel to keep up with what's happening around the shop.